this video, we are going to be looking into the market, the Forex market for the week. We will take a look at indices also. We'll be taking a look at the Forex calendar for the week, look at the market sentiment, and we're going to be looking at the currency strength and see if we have a trading opportunity or any signal opportunity for the week. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adibola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. If this is the very first time you are stopping on my channel, I really appreciate you and I don't take it for granted. Do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button. Okay, smash that button, that bell button, so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. You know, every week we upload this type of video, especially on Monday, talking about Forex market analysis. And if there's any currency pair you want us to include on our analysis, do me a favor, comment it at the comment section of this video. Then like this video, then share it with your friend. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. I will dive into today's trade. All right, so welcome back. So this is our currency strength for this week. As you can see, right now the market is down, maybe due to what is going on in Ukraine, Russia, Fed, talking about inflation, United States, and so on and so forth. But right now, JPY is, I won't call this one strong, it's flat. GBP is flat. As you can see, USD is also flat because minus 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 is more or less flat. But we have some fundamental news this week that we'll be expecting. So hopefully this currency strength will change starting from Monday, Tuesday. But as you can see, euro is weak. Okay, euro is weak, NZD is weak, Canadian dollars is weak, Aussie dollars is weak, and of course Swiss franc is weak. So apparently if nothing changes, I'll be looking forward for selling these pairs. Okay, selling these pairs, shorting these pairs. That's what I will be looking forward to do, except anything changes. Okay, let's take a look at the Forex calendar for the week. As you can see, on Monday we will be having a USD, that is our FOMC members Bullard speaks. So this might move indices and also some major currency pairs. Then the same Monday we will be having ECB, that's the ECB President Lagarde speaks. So this also will move like euro crosses. I focus more on the red impact, that's the high impact. So 6:30 p.m. on Monday, we will be having Australia dollars monetary policy meeting minutes. So we will be, having this news, and this might talk about their interest rate also. You see, more hawkish than expected is good for currency. So let's see what Reserve Bank of Australia will be dishing out on Monday. That's by 6:30 p.m. Then go to Tuesday. You can see by Tuesday 7:30 we will be having this PPI for USD. PPI, that is Bureau of Labor Statistics. So we'll be talking about the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers. So this also has tendency of moving some major currency pairs and also indices. Then moving down on Wednesday by 1 a.m. Central Time. By the way, this is my Central Time. And in case you are watching this video and you are wondering where can you get this data, you can get it from the Forex Apostle Mentoring, .com. Right there on the Forex Apostle Mentoring.com, you have access to some free tools that you can, start using. This is the economic calendar. This is the Forex sentiment. This is Forex heat map. You see Forex brokers and their spread, Forex correlation, Forex liquidity. Okay, so you can have access to all of that there. Okay, let's continue. So on Wednesday, we're going to be having the GBP. So by 1 a.m. Wow. So the Office for National Statistics, this would be British pound. So definitely, if you are one of those that enjoy trading London breakout, GBP crosses, Canadian crosses also will be good for Wednesday morning by 7:30, and of course Wednesday by afternoon. By this is what's the time right there? No, still Wednesday morning. We're going to be having the core retail sales of US. This is Census Bureau. This, all this one reveals data, and of course these inflations might also affect all of this data. So these are the fundamentals. These are the news that move the market. You know that Forex market is moved by four things: the price action, the fundamental, the technical, and of course the sentiment. Those are the four things that determine when we buy or when we sell, what we buy, what we sell. Okay, so go to Thursday. Thursday pretty much is light, except your unemployment claims on Thursday. So that normally move indices and move some major currency pairs. So as you can see, the forecast is 419,000. So let's see what that is going to give to us. And of course, Friday also is light, as you can see. So let's see, Forex sentiment. Forex sentiment, that tells you what retail traders are actually doing. So like right now, Euro USD, as you can see, 47% are holding short and 52% are going long. And you know that minority, that is where the institution belongs. GBP USD, majority are shorting the pairs. They are holding short position, while minority is holding long position. So that means that GBP USD might be going up. So I mean, make sure you take a look at those data right there. You can get access to them by visiting www.theforexapostlementoring.com. Okay, let's go to the chart and see what we can pick out from the chart. Let's go to the chart and look at what we got for this week. I'm going to start from NASDAQ, actually. I'm going to start from NASDAQ. Last week I created a video. I said, okay, we cannot decide whether we are ready to go back up. And I created that video that, are we there yet? What will you do? How to buy the dip? Remember those videos? Okay, cool. So right now, this is our 50 EMA. This is our 50 EMA. And you can see where we are right now. So we have more of a selling pressure due to so many things going on. Ukraine, Russia problem, inflations, stimulus, Fed. So all of that contributes to what is going on with indices generally. So I won't be surprised if we come back to retest this area or retest this area with NASDAQ, okay, before we start going back up. Okay, that is what I will be looking forward to this week. And what is happening in the market right now violates every rules that we know, violate technical, violate fundamental, because normally, especially with this inside bar, we expect that this should be going up. This should be going up. But you see what happened on Friday? That was actually when United States asked all all Americans in Ukraine to come back home. So, rumors of war, rumors, threats, and everything, all those things affect the market. So you can see what is going on right there. So I won't be surprised with NASDAQ, that is talking about indices, if we come to touch this area before we start going back up. Okay, so let's see GBP USD. As you can see, we have this. We have above a 50 EMA. So I look forward for GBP USD actually for us to have some buy, and I will be targeting that area this week. Let's see if we are holding buy. Make sure that your stop loss is around right there, so you give room for the markets to breathe. Okay, so let's take a look at the Euro USD. GBP, whatever is applicable to GBP USD applies to the rest of the GBP process. So let's see Euro USD. This Euro USD on daily, as you can see, we close below 50 EMA, but with this particular swing, this swing is up. Okay, this swing is up. So I won't be surprised if we bounces, back. Okay, this week, if we bounces back, even though euro is weak, and normally we're supposed to be, you know, euro is weak, so we're supposed to be shorting this and buying USD actually. But with what we see on technical, except this momentum continues downward, which you can see clearly if you go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours right now, if this by the time the market opens, I'm creating this video on Sunday actually, so it's possible by the time you are watching this, we are already moving down right there. So if it moves down, we'll be expecting maybe around 1.12298, and if that breaks out, then maybe around that area right there. That will be for euro USD, because the way it's positioned, okay, it can get to 1.11343 before the end of this month if it doesn't bounces back, okay, especially with what is going on right now. Let's take a look at some Aussie PS. You can see this also on 4 hours. You see up, down, up, okay. So I won't be surprised if this also bounces back, and we will be looking forward for here as our take profit for this week. Aussie JPY, because JPY is not strong, it's weak. So right now the same thing, Aussie USD. If you look at Aussie USD, also the same thing. Now if this breaks down, so I mean below this 50 EMA, then Aussie USD might be moving towards this area, okay, might be moving towards 0.70551. But if it bounces back, then we'll be looking forward for this up of this inside bar formation right there. But if you look at it on daily, you can see that we have more of a selling pressure. Look at it right there. Look at it right there. So we have more of a selling pressure on the Aussie USD right there, okay, right there. So if care is not taken, we might be looking to come right there. Okay, so before we continue, many of you have been asking me about this IP Capital bot, Intelligence Prime Capital, and many people have been asking me, okay, Forex Apostle, what is your take about this bot? As you all know, I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex coach, and I mentor others. But at the same time, there is no crime if you see something that will, you know, make your life easier for you to partake of it, no matter what comments you read online. So there's this review that I wrote about IPC market. I'm going to put it at the description of this video. Make sure you click on it, make sure you read it and see if it's what you are looking for. Maybe if it looks like what you are looking for, if it does, I will be looking forward to work with you and to welcome you to our team. Okay, let's continue with this video. So that is Aussie, and I think the same way goes for USD JPY also. If you look at USD JPY, we have this upswing right now. So if USD becomes strong, then USD JPY might be heading back up. But let's take a look at it on 4 hours. We see this sell-off right there. So if this, because right now this 50 EMA is serving as a resistance right now to this downward movement. So if it breaks it, because we can see this rejection, I won't be surprised if it will go back up, okay? But if it breaks it down right there, then it therefore means that we might not stop until we get back to right there. So until we get back to, that will be around 114.321. Okay, that is what I will be looking forward to this week. And if anything changes, of course I will be creating video. You know, you expect video from me Monday, Wednesday, and of course we do money mastery on Thursday, how to make, manage and multiply money every Thursday by 7 a.m. Central Time, and sometimes Friday you get video from me. And of course Saturday I hang out with my students for Q&A session. If you are looking forward to learn how to trade Forex the right way, the link also will be at the description of this video. Visit the ForexApostleMentoring.com and see if you love what we are doing. I would love to be your mentor. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to see you in my next video.